To use an image as a reference for video generation in Artlist AI, start by opening your Artlist account and going to the AI video generator inside the AI toolkit. This feature allows you to transform a still image into a moving video while maintaining the original structure, style, or composition of the reference image. Once inside the video generator, click on Create New Video and select a video model that fits your creative goal. Depending on the style you want, you can choose cinematic, realistic, or stylized models. After selecting the model, look for the option labeled Reference Image or Image to Video. Click Upload Image and select the image you want to use from your device. This image will act as the visual foundation for your video. Once uploaded, the system will analyze the image to understand its objects, composition, and visual style. After uploading the reference image, move to the prompt box and describe how you want the image to come to life. Instead of describing a static scene, focus on motion, animation, or environmental changes. For example, you can describe camera movement, lighting shifts, weather effects, or subject motion. Next, adjust your settings such as aspect ratio, video duration, and motion strength if available. Motion strength is especially important because it controls how much movement is applied to the original image. Lower settings keep the video closer to the original image, while higher settings create more dynamic changes. Once everything is ready, click Generate Video. The AI will combine your reference image and text prompt to create a moving video based on your instructions. This process may take a short time, depending on complexity and resolution. When the video is ready, preview the result carefully. Check how well the motion matches your expectations and whether the original image is preserved correctly. If needed, you can adjust the prompt or motion settings and generate again for improved results. Finally, download your video once you are satisfied. You can use it for cinematic content, social media posts, presentations, or creative storytelling projects. And that's how you use an image as a reference for video in Artlist AI. Upload your image, describe the motion, adjust settings, generate the video, and refine until you get the result you want.